चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And we now shift our focus to Prajwal Revanna. The latest that we are learning that the medical test is done and Prajwal Revanna has now been produced in court by the SIT. Remember, he had been on the run for 35 long days. He tried to dodge the investigating team. And last night, when he touched down at the airport, the SIT ready to arrest him, which they did. Now, as we understand that the SIT has produced Prajwal Revanna before the court where they are attempting to seek a 10-day custody. Most importantly, as Republic has been able to access the details of the line of questioning where we understand that Prajwal Revanna was asked about the mobile phone that was used to make those videos. Now, there is a possibility that the evidence has been tampered with because Prajwal Revanna has submitted his current mobile phone to the SIT. But there is a likely chance that if that phone has been destroyed or if any such attempt has been made to tamper with the evidence, then that charge will also be pressed against Prajwal Revanna. My colleague from Republic Bangla joining us on the broadcast. I apologize, my colleague from Republic Kannada now joining us on the broadcast to give us more details on the same. Very good afternoon to you. Do tell us the latest that is coming in from the court where Prajwal Revanna has been produced and what is the SIT team, I beg your pardon, the SIT asking for?
Just now, the medical examination of Prajwal Revanna, the accused in 3 prominent cases, including sexual harassment, rape, and also kidnap, has been conducted in the Bowring Hospital here down in Bangalore. And now he has been produced in front of 42nd ACMM court judge. Now it's all curious about whether he will be taken to the SIT custody or will he be given to the judicial custody. Likely he will be produced. You know, the SIT officers will ask for their custody as there is a lot more inquiry has to be conducted, lot of questions to be asked to Prajwal Revanna as he was absconding nearly for a month from the date when the first complaint was filed against him. So likely the SIT officers are going to ask for the police custody. Prior to this, in the 2 hours investigation, the SIT chief BK Singh asked for the primary source of the all these alleged sexual videos that Prajwal Revanna is alleged to be taken, which was captured in his mobile. But Prajwal Revanna has said, according to the sources which have been giving the information to Republic Kannada, Prajwal Revanna has said that he is no longer using that phone, and that phone in which there has been accusation that he has captured the videos of the women victims is no longer with him. If it is so, it will be a setback to the investigation because that phone in which Prajwal Revanna has, there is an allegation that he has captured the video is no longer with Prajwal Revanna, and SIT have the other sources, have other proofs, to produce in front of judge. But the mother source of the complete videos is missing as of now. Even the Home Minister of Karnataka, Dr. G. Parmeshwar also reacted that SIT has not yet confirmed about the missing of the phone of Prajwal Revanna. The investigation is yet to begin. So the government is also looking forward for a transparent investigation. As of now, as a part of investigation, Prajwal Revanna was produced to the medical examination and now has been produced in front of the judge. The major question is, will he be given to the judicial custody or will the SIT team take to their custody is the question for which the answer is yet to be known.